see, BAC meeting, I raised my objections and I gave my objections in writing about the session being short only for 3 days. Technically, this is a budget session. It had to be extensive. Police water je private members day mun amgelo to this asta as members to raise our queries, and this is our right. Amche to question the government, resolution mandpa. All this they cut kela. And as per rule 31, if this day has been Friday, so this is not included, then the speaker should fix this private members rule day on any other day during the business days. So that has not been fixed. So this is basically a mockery. This government has 33. Having 33 such a large number, they do not want to face 7 in the opposition. So this was the first point with regards to the private members day that is not being observed. दूसरे, we have observed that postponement questions are not allowed after being admitted, are not discussed. तीसरे, we asked for ample time from the opposition. MLA should be given ample amount of time to question the government with relating to the governor's address. Don't this governor's address dola on 24th and 25th, and 26th is the chief minister is going to present the budget. It is a mockery. Basically 3 days is mandatory as per the rules to discuss the governor's address. So yes, suspension of rules under 306 cone. What is happening here is showing that this government wants to hide their corruption, hide the scams. They cannot face the opposition. Ji certificate ek ex-minister an dileli ha with regards to the bribery charge of 20 lakhs being given to a minister. Today it is surprising to see the chaotic silence of the chief minister. He doesn't want to answer on this particular step. Also, we highlighted to the Honorable Speaker in my letter of what happened during the J. Ami PUC itlo or such a report finalized kello, and it was adopted. After adopted, it was rejected on basis of a vote. But what was rejected is a big question mark. 14 वर्सां जाली, 10 वर्सां report जे pending आहे. आमी जेन्ना or report mandalo, the Honorable Speaker adopted and it was listed, but still government has a prayatna kelo to make sure that this report doesn't come. So the government was questioning the Speaker's authority. Speaker is final. So we told the Honorable Speaker that there has to be equal rights given to the opposition. आज ज्या पद्धतीन आमी हे बजेट मांडपाक जो मुखेलमंत्री मांडपाक सोदता, हेजेर म्हाका दिसता चर्चा जावपाक जाय आशिल्ली. गव्हर्नर एड्रेसान जे तेका गव्हर्नराक मिसगायड केलेलो आहे सरकारान, हे म्हाका दिसता आमी ह्या सेशनाक हायलायट करतले. बट वी नीड टू गेट अ चान्स एंड वी आस्क द ऑनरेबल स्पीकर that ज्या पद्धतीन हे क्वेश्चन बी थोडे गायब जाता. मिस्टर इंडिया पिक्चर चयला आसता, तो एकलो मोगेंबो आसलो. आतां हिंग कोण मोगेंबो तो तांकां खबर ना. क्वेश्चन कित्याक गायब जाताय? एंड द स्पीकर has assured us that he will look into it. BAC meeting is a right and the right of us to object. I cannot comment what Vijay Sadeh said because he was not present today here. He didn't comment at this here. I don't know when he commented. He was not present here today. I am not sure. But to an extent, the BAC is on what should be the agenda of the and it is a platform where we raise our objection. Last time I had given in writing, my objections were not mentioned on the letter. Today itself, I again give a letter citing all my objections to the Honorable Speaker, point by point, that calling attention should be allowed to given to the opposition ample amount of time with regards to PUC reports, with regards to private members resolution. So it is our right. We cannot just stay away. We have to object this government because Ingeli Dadagiri and Hukumshai, the speaker is answerable to all this type of activity. See, any person taking the ideology forward. Dr. जो आमचो भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर पयलोच मुखेलमंत्री आशिल्लो. He was a visionary. He was a man of the common people. His vision with regards to agriculture, if you see, his vision was with regards to rights, Munkar rights. He was connected to the grassroots level. He is the tallest leader. आज सरकारा गेले लक्ष्य हुया with regards to agriculture. They are finishing agricultural lands. Agricultural land आहे ते सगळे कन्वर्ट करून उडयता. भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरान संजीवनी शुगर फॅक्टरी म्हणून बांधलेली फॉर फार्मर्स. Today, this government is not protecting it. Ethanol plant gatle, yash kotle, tesh kotle. So whatever was Babasaheb Bandodkar's vision, he was a statesman, and at a different level. I personally have not seen his debates or whatever, because I was not born during that era. But I salute him on today's day, on his birth anniversary. Let us not make any comparisons. But for a fact, with regards to policy formation, what Babasaheb Bandodkar had and his vision is being deteriorated today, especially with regards to agriculture and agricultural lands. The way they are being converted is absolutely, you can see that Goa is going from bad to worse.
One more.
Every political party will have their own strategies. It is too premature to comment at this stage when the elections are in 27. Number two, the Congress party is the principal opposition party. The Congress party has decided to strengthen its bloc and its cadre in all 40 constituencies in the interest of the state. Whatever decision needs to be taken, this will be taken at the highest party forum about alliance and whatever. But I will not go into that. But I would say, in the interest of Goenkars, whatever in the interest of Goa, everyone knows. Goenkarank खबर हा की सगळे एक जावपाक जाय म्हणून गोंयकारांनी एक वीश हा. So whatever needs to be taken, every political party has a right to go in all 40 constituencies. The Congress party has decided to strengthen its base. Our main aim today is is that the opposition should grill the government with regards to the assembly session.